How to fix Instagram enable camera access problem. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. So this happens when you have not given access for Instagram to camera. Now let's go ahead and fix this. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then here you will see apps. Open your apps. At this section you will see all the applications that you have installed in your device. Here we have to search for Instagram. So tap on the search bar icon, type in Instagram and open your Instagram. At this section, tap on permissions. Make sure that you see camera here. Under allowed, make sure camera is available. If not, locate your camera and tap on this allow only while using this app or ask every time button. Now once it is so, tap on this storage button and here clear the cache. Now tap on force stop, then OK. Now you have to open your Instagram application and this problem will be fixed. That is all for today's video guys, and thank you for watching.